Do you want to learn Chinese with native speaker on YouTube? My name is Swin, who like hip-hop music, come from China. There are lots of methods of studying Chinese, such as using music videos, regulating me with a conversation partner, watching Chinese TV shows with subtitles, listen to podcasts, listen to audiobooks. They are good methods, but it's not so good for beginners who didn't contact Chinese at all. In the series video, I'll use names and interesting story that you understand and remember the words how to use in our daily life. Make sure you can learn a new language efficiently and happily. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the second share about how to learn Chinese. At first, I want you to know the words is very important to learn a new language, because if you don't know the words and you do not know what they're talking about, and how to remember the words is a question. If you're going to the wrong way, you will be hard, confused. If you're going to the right way, you will efficiently and you will be happy. As my experience, I think remember the words the best way is the same. So let's go into a scene in the morning. I'm sure you will see it every single morning and this one. Every single morning we wake up, we open our eyes first, so we can see the sunny first. The sunny in Chinese is 天花板. So follow me one by one. 天花板 you 天花板 you 天花板 you. And next we get up, we will see the curtain. The curtain in Chinese is 窗帘 you 窗帘 窗帘. And next we open the door. The door in Chinese is 门 门 门. And next we go into the living room. The living room in Chinese is 客厅. Follow me one by one. 客厅客厅客厅. And next we open the door again. 门门门. And next we go into the bathroom. The bathroom in Chinese is 洗漱间洗漱间洗漱间. And next we'll see the washing stand. The washing stand in Chinese is 洗漱台洗漱台洗漱台. Don't forget to follow me. Next we go into living room again. Living room 客厅 remember? 客厅 follow me. 客厅客厅. Next we go into kitchen to make some breakfast. Kitchen in Chinese is 厨房厨房厨房. And next we go to bedroom. Bedroom in Chinese is 卧室. Follow me. 卧室卧室卧室. And next we'll do some dress. So we will open the closet. A closet in Chinese is 衣柜衣柜衣柜. Maybe on the top of your closet there are cuts on the roof. So cut in Chinese is 猫猫猫. And next we open the door again. 门门门. Let's go to work. Bye bye.